Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. Today I want to make a video showing my various items, products, gadgets that I did not put on Tindy because they're made to order. And but before going into them in detail, well, pretty much in detail, I want to let you know that I do have a Black Friday sale on my Tindy store. Link is in the description with 10% off. I wish I could do more, but I really cannot. There's just the prices went through the sky, you know that. And anyway, um, till Monday evening, and if there's people who request it to be longer, I will extend it for the whole next week. But it will start today as soon as I finish this video and put it up on YouTube. And you can go to my store and enjoy the Black Friday sale with 10% off. And well, there's so much I have to show here. I don't know where to start. Let me start here. So this is my H.E.D.S.Trek gadget, which has, and I made videos about those, and I will put them in the link in the links in the description as well, so I don't have to go too much in detail now because it would take an hour to explain all that. But just to be short, this has by the way, thank you very much, Emmanuel, who helped me with the code on this. The fun part on this one is you have all your codes on the micro SD card, and here you can select which one you like, and then you can upload it to the H.E.D.S.Trek. So it's based on the Arduino, and it has GPS, NeoPixels, and all kinds of other stuff, speaker and whatnot, wireless charging. And so that was my first version, 2017. And the successor to that is this one. I can't see nothing through my this does not have the capability of uploading code from micro SD card, but it has obviously type C charging and touch sensors here. Where were they? Anyway, I made a video about this also, so I will put that in the link. And you make it has an infrared sensor and receiver, and it has micro SD card as well. Technically I would have to rewrite the code for the display, but technically it could upload from micro SD card, but that's actually only here on the H.E.D.S.Trek. So anyway, it has a sensor, accelerometer. Anyway, it's beeping too much. And this is something that I use constantly. It's a volume button and a mute button with NeoPixels. Let me just plug it in real quick, because I don't remember if I showed this on a video. But you could of course use it for anything else you like. So it has the NeoPixels down facing, and when you turn them, the volume, and you can see here the volume going up and down, and also muting, and it changes color. But you can of course the code is provided, will be provided, and you can change it to anything you like on your PC for any other input. So that was that. I never put it up on Tindy, I don't know why. I really like it. And here's another product that I actually made in addition to my CAN bus gauges. It's a Atmega 328, and it can be also an Atmega 1284, was it? And so this is a dual PC that I designed, and I can put the chip on here as I wish. And it has a, well, you can see it on the back. Actually, I have another one here. It has a Bluetooth module. So what this does is it sends Bluetooth commands upon button press. And it has of course NeoPixel, and on here it sends left and right commands for my canvas gauge to go to the next screen. So this is something very small. You could add a battery and have a 2-button remote over Bluetooth. So that was that. And this is my pendant, Picasso pendant. And I show you why I call it Picasso. And you see what kind of mess it is here. And again, I have videos about these, which I link in the description. And I called it Picasso because it looks like art. And this one you can of course program it. I use it with my CNC lathe and to give directions for the machine. So that's that. And this is actually my first keypad that I made with OLED display. This one has still the old micro SD card slot. Micro SD card slot, what I'm talking. Micro USB connector. And this one also had actually a connector here where you can attach a sensor and you can use your hand to way forward, back, down, up, and use that as an input device. So, and of course micro keypad. And this one had, I cannot see through my glasses, it has my, you can hear it, the thing is pretty worn out. Oh, I turned the NeoPixel off, smart me. It has 2 levels also via a button. And this one, if you like, you can also just buy the PCB and make it yourself if you like, or get it like that. So that's that. I really have to get a better USB connector. And the next item that I never put on sale is, oops, my stepper controller driver. And this is a full-fledged with everything on board, including a magnetic encoder, and it has analog input for speed. Let me just plug it in here beneath the table. And I attached this one here just so I can show it rotating, and you can change the speed obviously and do all kinds of other stuff. The code is open source, and this one you can get as well. If you're interested, just leave me a comment and I will get back to you or provide you more info. This is my GPS sender, GPS tracker with a SIM module, OLED display, and I explained this and showed it off in another video. I will again put it in the link in the description. And here I have my police light. Here I have my keychain based on my car, Chrysler 300C. Again, I made a video and I will put a link in the description. And here I have one of my last spectrum analyzers, stereo. So it has micro SD input, 3.5mm audio input. Again, I made a video on that. And what am I missing here? Okay, this is my altimeter, which comes in 2 versions, metric and imperial. And this is what it looks like. It shows you altimeter, temperature, voltmeter, and you can adjust it. Again, link will be in the description. So I think this, oh yes, my Nixie clock, 4 Nixies, and this is the single, which is also here. This one is powered by 5-volt USB, and this one has a wireless charging pad on the bottom. You can see the electronic here, so you can actually see in here. So these I never put on my Tindy store as well. I don't even know why. But anyway, if you're interested, again, check the description of the video. And I think this was it for today. Like I said, if you're interested in anything, I'm repeating myself. Why am I doing this? Anyway, I wish everybody a nice Black Friday weekend, and take care. And if you want to support me, again, links are in the description via Tindy, via Patreon, via PayPal, or even the super thanks button below the video. Thank you and take care, everybody.